go ahead and insert this flywheel. Oh my god, that is heavy. That is quite heavy. And of course, there's stuff in the way and gets caught. The two holes are on this side, and it's hurting my stomach. What's up, guys? We finally got the pressure plate and clutch in and flywheel. I didn't get to video any of that. I mean, it's pretty simple. You just flywheel, clutch, pressure plate. We did it with the clutch, the protruding side facing the transmission. So hopefully that works and doesn't fuck us over. What else? So while I'm waiting for my friend to show up to help me with the transmission, and he's going to bring another jack, I'm going to go ahead and drill the holes. This Crossmember is from a C240 compressor. Apparently that works a little bit better, so let me go ahead and do that. So we finally got transmission in. My friend came by and he brought his low pro jack, so we were able to use a jack to lift up the engine to tilt it, and a jack over here to lift up the transmission. Right now I'm just tightening them. I didn't really want to bore y'all with the tightening the bolt stuff, because I mean that's pretty easy. You just put the transmission in and tighten the bolts. Hopefully I put the... Damn, that shit's tight. Hopefully I put the clutch the right way. I hope I did. Alright, I need to go on that side to tighten that side, and we should be able to lower the jack and go from there. So this is pretty cool. I was looking at underneath and I was like, man, that Crossmember that I just drilled holes into, that doesn't look like it fits at all. And then what I noticed was, notice all these holes? Each one has like this one has a grommet, this one had a grommet, I just pulled it up. Well, they're all just points where you can screw in the Crossmember. I guess for the different variations of cars that the W210 has. And I wonder if, you know, similar chassis Mercedes are the same thing. But that is really cool, because just think of it, if like maybe the SLK has this and I really want a SLK, you could easily just you know, make a, you know, swap a different engine in it, and, you know, maybe even use, you know, just your factory Crossmember and maybe just drill holes out and make it work somehow. That is really cool. I'm gonna go ahead now and bolt up the Crossmember. After I get the Crossmember done, it looks like the shifter is, looks like we're gonna have a bit of a fabrication issue. Not a fabrication issue, but a little bit of fabrication needs to be done. So put it all the way up, right, and you have it to be pressed in there. One, I'm not even aiming, one right there. So the issue right now is that this plate is not really wide enough. As you can see, I've tried to center as much as I can, and that's just not gonna work. Maybe I could just cut slots on the side and tighten the bolt as much as I can. I'll go ahead and hook up this trans real quick. BRB. So we are going to, this is for the shifter, for the Crossfire. We're gonna cut a notch right here and right here on the sides, and basically bolt it up that way. And hopefully it works. And after that, the drive shaft is in, we just need to bolt it up. We just need to bleed the clutch, hopefully. And if that works, we're on to start it up and see if it actually functions. So let's get to it. I wish I had like an actual workbench so it looks professional. don't worry, guys. This is just temporary. I'm gonna paint it. I hope. When we're done. Right? Yeah, I think I'm gonna paint it. I'm sure I'm gonna paint it, because I never leave that shit, you know?
That would cause more problems.
I'm gonna have rusty shit everywhere. That shit's disgusting.
Perfect.
Wow, that is perfect. It's almost as if I know what I'm doing.
Nobody could ever tell.
Why is this so tight, man?
What the?
Wow, shifter's in. Alright, let's try it out. I want to shift gears. Wow. Wow. That's so cool. It feels pretty good too. First, let me get in real quick. So you just drive along your grandma mobile. Dude, this is so cool.
That's it.
This is so cool.
All worth it, huh?
Well, hang on, we need to try it out first.
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Reverse still works.
I don't know how to use reverse still.
It's push, yeah, up and I think it's.
Well, actually, it's on here. So push up, down. Yeah,
there
reverse
you go.
still works.
Yeah.
Bleed the clutch. Put fluid in the clutch.
Mm-hmm.
And we need to bolt up the drive shaft. Just put in the bolts and tighten it up.
Mm-hmm.
But one step closer. About to pour some fluid in. Oh yes, baby. Alright, that isn't going in as much as I thought. Oh, there we go, finally. Just going in slowly. So here we are, bleeding the clutch. Hopefully it all goes well. This is pretty easy. I'm sure y'all have seen this before. Basically they press, you have a helper, in which this case the Marlin is going to press in the clutch, and then I loosen this up, the valve, fluid goes in here, bleeds the bubbles out, close it, repeat the process. So we're going to do that and bleed the clutch, and I'll be right back. Those are tight.
Mm-hmm.
I impact them.
You did?
Yeah.
Okay, because
that
I
should
know
be good.
This one wasn't at first.
Alright guys, we got the drive shaft in. It's made it to the transmission. We filled the trans with fluid. I'm glad we did because that shit was empty. We bled the clutch as best as we could. Hopefully the line isn't too kinked. Shifter's mounted. Let's go on the put the battery back in.
Alright.
Got it?
Yep. Reverse?
What was it again? Up, left, back.
Yeah.
Up to reverse.
Oh, shit! Oh! Oh! Wow.
So I don't have a check engine light on yet, but I do have codes for the ABS. I don't know why.
Man, that shit crazy.
Hang on, we gotta do a neutral. Oh my god. That thing revs so much faster.
Holy
Wow.
shit. Holy shit.
about to drive for the first time. One thing I noticed already is that my brake light is not working. It's just on. So we'll have to look into that. But, oh, safety's first. But I'm pretty excited. It's pretty cold. Let's give it a try. First gear. And we're off. Unfortunately, I didn't have a chance to put back the headers. For a second. I'm not used to it yet. Wow. This is this is weird. There's third. It sounds like complete ass because I have the headers. The Amazon sent me the wrong size. Well, I got the wrong size. Basically, Amazon wasn't blamed, and I wasn't able to put on my full exhaust. But this is fucking crazy. I'm in third. Let's go around here. It's so weird driving this. Like, I feel like this shouldn't be right. Like, it's a habit. I'm letting go of the brake so I can go forward, but it's not going forward because it's not automatic anymore. I'm still not used to the clutch. The clutch still feels kind of soft. I think it needs to be bled just a little bit more. Oh, there's second. There's third. There's fourth. Oh my god, this is so cool. This is so weird. I feel like I should not be able to do this. Well, I'm not used to six gear.